Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kanzul Iman School. Children, we are going to do the day 17 planner. So, we are going to start with English page number 20. Oh, here is the test day. Day 17, there is a test 1. So, children, parents, and the teachers, you have to do the test today. Learn your children well before taking test. Children have to write from A to E there. If he will write with himself, then put the 30 marks, accurate 30 marks. If you have to help him or her, then you can deduct 1 or 2 marks from here. Now, question number 1 to 5. We had learned general knowledge questions before. Now ask different questions from the children. General knowledge question. Like what is the name of your religion? Like this. You have to ask 5 questions. Put the marks of each question over here. Like if he will give the correct answer, the religion name is Islam. Then we will put the 2 marks over here. Then ask who is the founder of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam. Again 2 marks. Who designed our national flag? Amiruddin. Like this, you have to ask the general knowledge questions, conversation questions, and the poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Words like arm, nose, leg. Then reading practice A to E. If the children will pronounce correct sound A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, then put the 10 marks. Here, what you have to do, we will total each the marks of these and we will mention over here. He done accurate test, then you will put 80 marks over here. And the grade A plus, excellent. Put your signs over here and the parents will sign there. Teacher comments like if he done the whole work perfectly, then excellent. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kanzul Iman School.